So today I am using the American Tough Leaps and Rebounds Rebounder. They have a standard rebounder, and then they have the American Tough Rebounder. This is your mid-grade rebounder, but their standard rebounder that you can get at entry level is phenomenal. I've actually had one for like 8-9 years now, and all you have to do is change the bungees every year. Use a QR code. If you're new to rebounding and you're watching me for the first time, rebounding is low impact, joint friendly, great for digestive health, lymphatic, detox, 100% low impact, loads of fun. You work on balance and coordination as well, and it's absolutely a very kind format for strengthening, cardio, balance, coordination. All ages can use this. My grandchildren love to get on it and bounce. My children in their 20s love to get on it and bounce. I'm in my 50s. I love to bounce. My dad's in his 80s. He loves to bounce. So this is absolutely a universal piece of equipment that anybody can use. So I'm going to recommend, if you need an entry-level rebounder, get the Leaps and Rebounds entry-level rebounder. If you have a little bit more money to spend, you want mid-grade, nicer quality, US made, then this is a perfect rebounder for you. So anyway, this is just kind of like my new obsession, this American Tough Leaps and Rebounds rebounder.